In this video, I will draw and color the living room. First, I draw a sofa. Sofa is a cozy spot for sitting, playing, and cuddling with family or favorite stuffed animals. Next, the fluffy carpet, the cupboard, and the picture in the frame. Let's color. Red. Let's grab our red color and give the sofa a vibrant makeover. As you color, imagine the sofa becoming a magical red cloud, ready for toddlers to dive into a world of laughter and play. Let's continue our living room coloring journey by adding a cool and calming blue to the side of our sofa. Blue is a peaceful and soothing color, turning the side of our sofa into a little oasis of calm. Green. Take your green color and carefully fill in the entire outline covered. Green is a fresh and lively color, bringing a splash of nature to our living room. As you color, imagine the cupboard transforming into a magical garden, hiding treasures and surprises for toddlers to discover. Orange. Color and carefully fill in the entire outline frame. Orange is a lively and cheerful color, turning our living room floor into a playful and vibrant area. As you color, imagine the orange carpet becoming a dance floor for toddlers to twirl and play, adding a splash of joy to our living room. Yellow. Brown. See you in the next video.